Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I'm Syahrul Agung Prayogi. I'm a student at Muhammadiyah University of Purwokerto and majoring English education. Okay, in this occasion, I want to explain a natural phenomenon. Actually, I also want to discuss this issue specifically in detail. But before we get into the material, it will be better if we start this lesson by praying together. Okay, today I would like to explain about natural phenomena. Okay, the first I will discuss where the seawater comes from. Okay, seawater comes from the rainwater. However, that doesn't mean it's starting to rain. The rain that falls will flow into the river. Okay, this river water will eventually end up in the sea. Okay. Along the way to sea, they provide various mineral salts such as calcium, potassium, sodium, and so on. Okay, and I also will discuss a little about the water cycle. Okay, Bernard Mincy said that water that evaporates from the ocean forms clouds. Then the clouds move to blend. Then it rains. The rains will flow again and evaporate again. Okay. Before the existence of the air cycle was discussed by Menesi in the 16th century, there was also Aristotle's theory, which revealed the evaporation from the ground and then condensed in a large cave in the mountains. Then the cave formed a lake, giving rise to an air spring. Okay, well, after the development of the times as well as science, it can be seen that the cycle or air circulation has several stages. Okay. The problem in river modes that is most often encountered is the presence of the result of the transportation or erosion in the form of sediment or sedimentation. Most river estuary to the sea form estuaries, but not so if it empties into a lake, reservoir, or into a larger river. An estuary is a transitional zone or transition zone between the river environment and a marine environment, and such as is influenced both by the character of the river that forms it. For example, the amount of fresh water and the sediment it carries, as well as by the character of the ocean on the other side. For example, tides, okay, wave patterns, salinity levels, and ocean currents. The influx of both fresh water and seawater in estuaries is a factor that increases the fertility of the waters and makes estuaries one of the most productive natural habitats in the world. Honestly, I just found out that there is a phenomenon of seawater meeting each other with fresh water that looks cloudy and they cannot manage Now, let's move to our discussion about. I want to discuss about as the estuary ecosystem. Okay, first, estuaries are a component of coastal ecosystem that are known to be very productive and are most easily disturbed by environmental pressure caused by human activities and natural processes. My question is, why are freshwaters and seawaters incompatible? Okay, Quran Surah 25 chapter number 53 explains that, and he it is who has let flow forth the two red bodies of water, one sweet and palatable, and the other salty and bitter. And he has set a barrier and insurmountable forbidding ban that keeps them apart. Um, this means that in Surah Al-Furqan, we can conclude that freshwater and seawater cannot be combined, cannot be mixing, okay? Because there is a barrier between them. However, in reality, sea and freshwater can be combined, but for a long time. Okay, do not forget. In reality, sea and freshwater comes can be combined, but for a long time, because the two waters have different elements and characteristics. The phenomenon is one of the powers of God that cannot be denied, because God revealed the verses 1,300 years ago, and scientists discovered the phenomenon not long ago. Okay, maybe that's all from my explanation about seawater comes fresh water. Okay. Here, maybe that's all from my explanation. Here I can conclude that the truth of the Al-Quran can be tested with knowledge in this sophisticated area. Okay. I'm Syahrul Agung Prayogi. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.